Well, good afternoon, everybody. How we doing?
Doing well.
Good.
Awesome, awesome. I'm going to share my screen with you now. According to my latest announcement that I sent to you, today we are going to be officially starting the Google SketchuP model. And at this point, many of you should already have launched Google SketchuP through a portal. And I've sort of did a video here to get you started with how you're actually going to start the project. So now, if you have, if I have reviewed your enlarged kitchen plan and you have submitted it to D2L, okay, you need to watch this video here, okay? If I haven't seen your final enlarged plan, I need you to share that with me today at the beginning of class.
Mr. Williams, this is Luke.
Yes?
So I submitted mine through D2L. You want me to
Yes.
also send an email, or can you look at it through there?
Okay. Oh, you say when did you submit it? Today, you said?
Yeah, this morning.
Okay, good. I'll take a look at it, all right?
Thanks.
So now, in the meantime, let me share my Google SketchUp, okay? Now, if you have watched the video that I sent you earlier, okay? You should be at this point right here, okay? That video brings you to this point here, okay? So before I go any further with this, which I am going to do, that is, okay, everybody needs to be essentially at this point right here if you're starting the final project. All right. Now with that, anybody who has not shared, I'm going to look at Luke's right now, but anybody else who have completed the final, the enlarged kitchen plan, that is, and I need to review it before you submit it to D2L. All right, so that's what I'm going to be doing now.
Mr. Williams?
Yes?
Yeah, this is Ken.
Hi, Ken.
I submitted it already.
Okay.
But I can do whatever you'd like me to do with it. I can take it out of D2L and then email it to you first or whatever.
Well, I allow you multiple submissions to D2L, and it's only to keep your latest submission. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So if you understand what I said, so I'll take a look at that, Ken, and I'll let you know. But in the meantime, go ahead and start on the final project.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody else? All righty.
Yes, sir. I also submitted it through D2L earlier.
Okay. Okay. All right. So I will look at all of those submissions and I'll get back with you if need be.
Can you tell me? Huh? Yeah.
Any particular questions as to those of you who are starting a project? Is it any particular questions that you have?
Yeah, so I have SketchUp on my computer, just like the free version. Do I need to do something through a portal to have it separately?
Well, I think the only thing with the free version is that they normally give you a 30-day subscription, okay? So it might be better for you to launch it through a portal, because then you don't have to worry about your subscription expiring.
I was not attending the Wednesday class. Is there a video on how to do that?
Yes, I sent you that link. I posted that link in a previous announcement. I think it was last week's announcement on the 11/11.
Is it in the class recording?
Pardon me?
Is it in the class recording or is it a separate video?
Oh, no, it's actually part of the announcement.
Okay, cool. I'll check it out. Thanks.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to continue to add some interior walls to the model, okay? So bedroom number 2 measures 8 feet 10 inches by 8 foot 8. So I'm gonna go back to my measuring tool here. Establish a point right here. Good. Move my cursor in this direction, type in 8 feet, 8 inches. Good. That gives me a line. That gives me a point, a guide point. Use the line tool again, and I'm gonna bring this all the way through. I know I don't have to, but I'm gonna bring it all the way through, keeping it on axis, right? On axis. Good. So that's the inside of that wall. And of course, this wall here has a 4-inch thickness. So I'll go back to my measuring tool, go here, move up 4 inches. Establish my guide point, go back to my line tool, okay? And draw this line, line tool. Zoom in a little bit, yeah, there it is. Okay, keep it on axis, do it all the way through, good. All right. Now, let's see what I want to do next. I want to get rid of oops, let's go back to camera to standard view, top view, that's where I want to be, that's where I want to stay, good. I want to delete this wall. If I select that wall and then I hold down my shift key, I can select the other wall. Good. So let's repeat that. So I want to delete this line and this line. So I select this line here, hold my shift key down. Now I can make multiple selections. Okay. Then I'm just going to use the erase tool right here. Well, I did the other way. I chose the erase tool first, and then I deleted those lines. Oh, I need to put this other line back. Zoom in so I can get it. There we go. Line 2. Oops. It's not where I want to be. I want to be right here. Okay, let's get back to top view. Good, good. All right. So now let's go back to where I was, line tool. Good. Keep it on the axis, bring it all the way through. Good, just like that. All right. So here's my bedroom here. What do I want to do next? Let's see if we can do the let's do the bathroom up here, okay? You can go in any sequence you want. Okay, let's put the bathroom in there. Okay, so the width of the bathroom is 7 feet, all right? 7 feet from this corner here, all right? So going to my measuring tool over here, on axis 7 feet. Okay, line tool, draw this line here. Go back to the measuring tool. 4 inches of this direction. Another guide point, line tool. Again, you notice I'm not showing any door openings. Okay, good. So I have the bathroom wall in there. Okay, all right.
Mr. Williams, how far was that first distance from the left side?
From the left side, that's fine. I mean, as long as when you use your measuring tool and you measure from the inside point here to here.
Yeah, I'm just asking for that measure. Oh, 7 feet. Okay. Cool.
7 feet. 7 feet. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yep. So, and we see that the bathroom wall has a little jog in it right here, right here. Okay. So let's see how we want to do that one. Okay. We see from, I need a reference point from this corner coming down in this direction, 5 feet. Good. And I'm just going to draw the line all the way over here to make it easier for me. So I'm going to take a line here. And I'm just going to draw it all the way over to here. I know I don't need it to be that much, but I just did it. Okay, good. And that wall thickness is 4 inches. So I'm going to do measuring tool again. Measuring tool again, come here, come down 4 inches here. Okay, 4 inches. Again, I'm going to take this wall all the way over. I know I don't have to, I can go back and delete it like I did last time for the other wall. I'm going to all the way over like this. Okay, good, on axis, good. And then I need from here to here, that's a dimension of 2'4" from the inside corner to the inside corner. So measuring tool again, coming right here, keeping it on axis, typing 4 inches. Good. Line tool, just bring it all the way down to here. Good. From there, measuring tool again, right here. Come on over 4 inches. Good. Line tool again. Okay, good. So now I'm going to erase some lines that I don't need. Okay, I just use the erasing tool here, and I just do it one at a time. Erase that line, erase that line, erase this line, erase this line. Okay, so now I have a little jog in there. Excellent. All right, so what I have to do now? Almost done with the existing floor plan. Let's add the closets. Okay, I want to add the closet to bedroom number 2. The closet. So that closet measures to be 2'6" wide by 2'4" deep. So, and it starts from this corner right here. So go back to my measuring tool. Come over here. Travel in this direction. What is that distance? 2'6". 2'6". Okay. And then I'm going to measure down. Line tool. On axis. On axis. There we go. On axis, 2'4". Okay. Line tool back to here. Good. Seem to be off a little bit right here. That doesn't seem right. So let me measure that. See what's wrong. See from here to here, it's 2'6". Okay. So this line is off a little bit, so I'm just going to erase it. Good. And go back to the line tool. Draw a line from my reference point there. Good. Zoom in here. I'm just going to erase this little bit of line here that I don't need right there. Zoom back out. Okay. And then I'm just going to go reference point again. Okay. I could use the offset tool, but I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to use my guide points. Okay. I got a guide point there. And still here, go here. This direction 4 inches. Okay, got a point there. So now I can use the line tool to draw a line from here on axis. There it is, on axis. Okay, and draw a line from here on axis. Good. All right. And then all I have to do is erase this little line right there. Okay, so now I got that closeted. Okay. Let's put the other closet in. So the other closet measures to be 5 feet inside, 5 feet inside, inside corner to inside quarter in terms of height, and then 2'4" deep. So how do I want to start? I can start from this corner right here. I need to go up 5 feet. Okay, and then I need to draw a line from there to make this closet 2'4" in depth. Okay, and then I just bring this line down, keeping it on axis. There we go. And I need to get my 4-inch wall thickness. So I'll go back to my measuring tool here. Four inches. Let's draw a line. I'll draw a line here. That's going to be 2'4" plus 4 inches is 2'8". So I can go ahead and do it like this. Line 2'8" inches. Good. And I can put a line down here. Good. All righty. So with that, I think I have all of the interior walls. Good. So now what I want to do right now, okay, I've done all this work. I want to save this drawing, okay? So I'm going to come up here to File. I'm going to save, File, Save, okay? And I'm going to save it to my document. So wherever you're saving your drawing to is where you're going to save it to. I'm saving it to my documents, all right? But now I'm going to title it, and everybody's going to have the same title. I'm going to title it Kitchen Edition. Okay, I'm going to title it Kitchen Edition, and you can save it to wherever you want to save it. Like I said, I'm saving it to my documents, all right? So Kitchen Edition, I'm going to save it. Good. So I suggest that you do that now, particularly if you've gotten to this stage, okay? Because we don't want any problems. We've done a lot of work. We don't want it to be lost. All right, so now I've saved the drawing. You see right now it says Kitchen Edition before it says Untitled. Okay, Kitchen Edition. So what's important for me to do now is to clear up all of these intersections where one wall meets another wall. I need to clear up all those intersections. It needs to be clear because that's going to help me when I go to pull these walls up to 9 feet in the isometric view. So I'm just going to use my erasing tool here. I'm just going to zoom in. I'm going to erase that line. Okay, clear intersection. I'm going to erase this line here, clear this intersection. Okay, clear up this intersection, so forth and so on. Okay, I'm not going to say it each time. All right, clean up this one. I guess I'm still saying it. Yeah. All the intersections must be clear. So when we pull these walls up to 9 feet, all the walls will come up together. Zoom in a little bit for this, okay, good. And I'm just rolling in to zoom in. Okay. Rolling that mouse button out, okay. As I look at it, I missed one here. All right, so all my intersections are clear. All right. Well, I'm just gonna save my drawing again. I'm gonna save it again. Yep, save it again. All right, folks, I missed one right here. All right, so let's go and clear up this intersection. Cool.
Hey, Mr. William,
Yes,
we're doing that right now, right?
yes,
All right.
yes. So hopefully everybody has saved their drawing and saved it as kitchen edition. That's important. You don't want to do all this work and then have something happen and you lose it, okay? Make sure you save your drawing and name it as kitchen edition. Okay, where I am now, I'm at D2L, weeks 11 through 15, and I'm scrolling down until I get to existing wall section right here. And I'm going to open up this PDF. Okay, this represents a wall section through our structure. Is showing you the foundation, okay, foundation, our floor system, our wall system, and our roof system, okay? The reason why we're making reference to it is that I want you to be aware of the fact that from your floor elevation to your ceiling is a dimension of 9 feet. So from the floor to the ceiling is 9 feet, okay? So now, as we go back to Google SketchUp, here's what we're going to do now. Let me move all this stuff out of my way. Okay. I want you to go to camera right here. Okay. I want you to hover over standard views like this. Then I want you to go to ISO. Good. So now we are in isometric view, and you're familiar with this because we've done an isometric drawing. Okay. Now you know that I can orbit around, right? By taking holding down my center mouse button, and I can orbit around like this, and I can orbit to the bottom. I can orbit at the top. I'm just holding that center mouse button down and I'm just moving it around like this, okay? Good. All right. So now one of the most powerful tools in Google SketchUp, I'm gonna orbit around this way, is the push-pull tool, right? So what we're going to do, all of our intersections are clear. So what we're gonna do now, we're going to pull these walls up to 9 feet because that's our ceiling elevation. Let's just see how it's gonna work. So I'm gonna go to push-pull right here. Okay. And I'm gonna zoom in right here. Okay. Good. So now you see how all the walls have that dotted grid pattern, okay? Because they all are one group, as it were. Okay, that's why we cleared those intersections. So now I'm just going to, oops, let me get back to that right here. See, now I'm going to pull this up, okay, and then I'm going to stop, and then I'm going to type in 9 feet. And I'm going to enter. Good. So now I'm rolling it up, zoomed out. Okay. So now I can pan around this way, and magically we have a 3D drawing. Right. And I'm going to check the height of that wall using my measuring tool. So I want you to get into the habit of checking your dimensions. So I'm going to use my measuring tool, and I'm going to check the distance from here and to there. It should be 9 feet. Excellent. So that's what I want you to do right now. And once you do that, I want you to save your drawing again. I want you to save it. I want you to get in the habit of saving your drawing frequently. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can now.
Good. Okay, so now, here's what I did. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in just to this corner right here. Okay, okay, and I'm going to push-pull tool right here. Okay, and then I'm going to come down here until there we go. That's what I went. That's what I went right there. Right. You see how I selected all the walls?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now I'm going to pull it up. I'm going to pull it up like this, and then I'm going to stop. Then I'm going to type in 9 feet. That's what I did.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay, so now we're on the same page. Everybody on the same page?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, I'm up there too.
Say it again, Luke.
I'm good.
Okay, good, excellent. All right, so let's go back here. All right, so now there's a video that shows you how to do this, but we're just gonna do it together for right now, okay? So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some door openings, start with the doors, okay? Now, I have orbited around, okay? This is the front, okay? Let's look at this, right? Nope, nope, here we go. Now, this is the front, okay? This is the front of the building. This is, if you look down on it, this is the living area. This is bedroom number 2, bedroom number 1. You got it, all right? So let's orbit around to the front, okay? There is an entrance door, and if you look at the existing floor plan, I gave you a chance to make reference to that, the existing floor plan. We see that there is an entrance door that's centered at this wall here. And the entrance door is 3 feet wide by 6'8". And those dimensions are given within the door swing of the existing floor plan, okay? It's giving you the size of all the doors. So our entrance door is, again, 3 feet wide by 6'8", okay? So how am I gonna do it? I can do it this way. Okay, let's just use the line tool, okay? Because we got to create, and aha, I'm at, when I hover over that, it's telling me that that's the midpoint of that line. That's what I want. So let's come over here. First of all, do I want to use line tool? I guess I could use line tool. Line tool, midpoint here, okay? Now, the height of the door, is 6'8". So I'm typing 6'8", okay? That's the height of the door. The width of the door is 3 feet. Half of 3 feet is 1'6". So I'm gonna move my cursor, making sure that it's on axis in this direction, and I'm gonna type in 1'6". Okay, good, and I'm just gonna come down here. Good. Now I'm gonna do the same thing with my line tool over here. Come over here. Okay, 1'6". Okay. Good. Now, I don't really need, let me skip out of this, let's just select over here. So now I should have a surface here. And a surface here. Good, but I don't need 2 surfaces. So what I need to do is to delete this line in the center. Okay. And I went up to the select tool right here, and I make sure I just selected that line and not the surface. All right, so now I should just have one surface, being 3 foot wide by 6'8" in height. Now, I'm gonna use my push-pull tool right here, okay? And I know that the thickness of that wall is 6 inches. So I'm gonna select the surface right here, and I'm gonna push it in slightly. And then I'm gonna stop, and I'm gonna type in 6 inches. Good. All right, so now that gave me a door opening. See that? Okay. So I'll give you a chance to kind of work on that. And that's the way we're gonna do all the other openings as well as the window openings. Same way. Okay, any problems with that? Are you still working on it?
I'm having trouble getting the door out. I got the opening like lined up, but I can't get rid of it.
Okay, share your screen with me. Okay, all right, so let's, okay, control Z out of that, please, Control Z, undo that. Are okay, hold down the Control Z, the Control key, and then hit Z.
Yeah, I'm doing it. It's not doing anything.
It's not doing anything. All right, so go ahead and just delete that then. At least that delete that projection. Good. So now you have to, good, all right. All right, so now choose the select tool, right? Good. So now see if that opening, that door opening is a surface. So you use the push pull command. Okay, good. Okay, there it is. So it is a surface. Okay. All right. So now orbit around. Orbit around a little bit so we can see. Okay. Good. Just like that. Okay. Now, let me see the top of your walls. Let me see the top of your walls. Orbit so I can see the top of your walls. No, or just, yeah, just orbit down. Okay, so your walls are fine. All right, so let's orbit back to the front. Okay, use the push-pull tool. Select the door surface. Now, no, don't, because, okay. Select the surface. Now hit delete.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank
so,
you.
but now you have an issue. Orbit down, orbit so I can see the top.
Oh, can you stop?
Yeah, it's not showing. You don't have a wall thickness there. See, you need a wall thickness.
Yeah.
So here's what you got to do. Go up to the edit tool. Yep. Choose undo erase. Okay. All right. Choose the edit tool again. Okay. Undo push pull. Undo push pull. Okay, so let's see what it looks like now. Could you orbit around the front? Okay.
I think maybe what I did is I took out the front, but not the back. And since
Okay,
there's no,
yeah, so what you need, you need a wall thickness there so that when you delete it, that you will still see the sides of the door jamb.
yeah.
So I would kind of, I would erase the door line. Erase the door line right now. And we're gonna try to start over. I'll just use the erase tool and just select those lines. Oops, oh, no, you don't want to do that. So also go back to edit. Edit. and under erase. Okay, so it's something weird. It's something weird happening there. Okay, why don't you orbit down again? Orbit from the top and see what's going on.
Hey, Mr. William.
Yes.
I think I know what's happening. Do you
Okay.
see? Do you see that dotted line right there by his
Mhm.
door?
Mm-hmm.
Right there. I think that's what's making him not do that door. That dotted
Exactly.
line.
I think you're right, Angel. I think you're right.
That dotted line. He needs to put a line through there,
Absolutely, Angel.
and then after that, there you go. Now do that push and pull,
But I still think you can still have a problem. But
and then
push it in,
push it in and
and
type.
then hit, and
There you
then okay, then do delete. Delete the surface.
And then he needs to type it 9.
6 inches.
Wait, is it 6? Yeah. No, I think it's 9. You said in the bit. You said 9.
No. It's 6 inches.
Okay.
If I said 9, that was wrong. It should be 6.
Okay, then yeah, he needs to type it 6 inches.
Yeah, you want to push it in, Luke. You want to push it in, not pull it out. Okay, now type in 6 inches. There we go. Thank you, Angel.
Yes, of course.
Okay, all right. Okay,
Much
so now,
appreciated, Angel.
hello?
I said much appreciated, Angel.
Oh, no problem.
Yes, of course, man.
Okay, so now let's go back. I'm going to share mine, but just the way we put that door opening in, that's what this is how we're going to do the other openings. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my screen here. Okay, good. Now you can. I'm just going to show you a few, and then you can continue. Okay. This wall here, that's wall right here, that's separating the living room from the existing kitchen area now, okay, there is a cased opening there. And a cased opening is a door, pardon me, is an opening that doesn't have a door. Okay, so I've orbited around so that I could see that that door opening. Now I'm discussing this because I didn't give you a size for the cased opening, but the cased opening is going to be 3 foot wide by 6'8", but it's going to start 6 inches. I'll show you how it's going to start. Let me do my measuring tool here. Measuring tool. I'm zooming into this corner right here. Keep it on the axis, and I'm going to go 6 inches because the door jamb is 6 inches from the corner. All right, so now I can use my line tool. Draw a line up. Keeping it on axis. Okay. All right. The height of the opening, cased opening is 6'8". Good. Keeping it on axis. The opening is 3 feet. Okay. And then open it around, keeping it on axis, back down. Good. So now I have a surface there. I can use the pull. I can push it in, and then I can stop and type in 4 inches because that's the thickness of the wall. Open around, so now you see I have a door opening there. Good. Not a door opening, a cased opening, okay? So now I want to put in the door to the bedroom here. Okay, let's open around this, which way? Yep, I should be this way, okay? And I might as well do it from the inside, this is easier. All right, so both of the size of both of the doors into the bedrooms is 6'8" wide, pardon me, 2'6" wide by 6'8" in height. All right, and again, it's going to be 6 inches from the corner. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to give myself a reference, a guide point, 6 inches. There it is. Can't see it, but that is right there. Okay, again, so I'm going back to my line tool, and I'm going to go here, and I'm going to come up 6'8", 6'8" inches, and keep it on axis. There it is. The width of that door is 2'6". Okay, and then I'm coming down here. Okay, good. Now that I have my surface here, I can go to my push pull tool. Okay, and I push it in a little bit. Type in 4 inches, and I'm just going to give you an opening. Okay, at this point, I'm going to save my drawing again. Save my drawing. All right. Coming over here, it's going to be the same scenario. The door is also 2'6" by 6'8", and it starts 6 inches from the corner. So I'm gonna go back to my measuring tool. Come over here. 6 inches. Good. Line tool. On axis. 6'8". Okay. 2'6". Keep it on axis. On axis. There's need to be good. All right. And now go back to push pull again. Push it in. Well, I just push it all. Well, push it in a little bit. You can push it all the way through, but I could do the wall thickness. Good. There we go. So the door opening into bedroom number 2, the door opening into bedroom number 1. Okay. So that's how you're going to do all of them. Let me give you one that you don't have. Okay. In bedroom number 2, for this closet here, it's a set of double bifold doors, and the total opening there is going to be 4 feet wide by 6'8". So I'm just going to draw lines now. I'm going to go here. Okay. Again, the width of the door opening is going to be a set of bifold doors, and the door opening is 4 feet wide. So just using the line tool here, I'm going to come over here. Okay. I'm going to go up on the axis, 6'8". Good. And I'm going this direction, 2 feet. Bring it back down. Good. Go back to the line tool. Okay. Other direction, 2 feet. Okay. Bring it back down on axis. Good. Then go to the erase tool. Erase this line right here. Good. Push pull tool. Okay. Push it in slightly. Type in 4 inches. Okay, so now we have a closet door. So now that's the way you're going to create well, we only have like 2 other doors left. Go ahead and create the bathroom doors, the bathroom door opening, the other closet door opening, and the existing opening to the existing deck. Okay, all right. So I'll give you a chance to go and do that. And while you're doing that, I'm going to save my drawing again. I'm just trying to share with you. I want you to save your drawing often because things happen. And it seems like there's something wrong with this door right here. I need to measure this right here. I have to make a correction. Yep, I got to make a correction to this door here. All right, so while you're working on that, I'm going to make that correction.
Hey, Mr. William.
Yes,
Can I share my screen with you? Because
absolutely.
All right. So this is what I have right now.
Okay. We have a little bit of a problem. Okay. Let me share my screen with you.
Okay.
Okay. Now, okay, come around this side. Now, the door jamb of the bedrooms cannot start at the wall. You got to come over this. We need at least 6 inches of wall, what I call door jamb right here.
Okay.
Understand what I'm saying? So come over 6 inches, and then you're going to draw the door opening in there.
Okay. So how do I undo my?
Okay, so let's see how we can do it. Go share your screen. Okay, here's what you're going to do. You already have a door opening there, right? So just draw from this corner. Draw another line. Okay, it's going to be 6 inches, and then draw that line up 6'8".
Okay.
Okay, and then the door would be in a proper location, and then now you're going to have to erase some things. All right.
Okay.
So see if you can figure it out.
All right. And then.
If you can.
Okay.
Go ahead. What if,
What about the first door that you do? The case opening. How did you? Because I forgot how to do it.
oh, it's the same thing. Okay. Okay. I orbit it around like this, right?
Yes.
I started in the corner. Okay. And then and then you see I came over 6 inches.
Okay.
6 inches, and then I just drew that surface in at 6'8" by 3 feet,
Okay. Okay.
and then I pushed it in. All the door openings cannot start at the wall. They all need this like 6-inch jam in there, right? Because we know we got to get door trim around there and all that kind of stuff, right?
I'm gonna go fix those things.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, Luke, you can go ahead and share with me now, please. Okay, could you all orbit around so I can see the doors, please? Could I see the doors from the inside of the bedrooms? Could you orbit around to that? I want to see those 2 doors from the inside of the bedroom. You make sure you have those 6 rooms in there. Yep, and you do. Okay, cool. All right. So what we're going to do now? We're going to show some window openings. Okay. Okie dokie. So let me share my screen with you. Okay. All right. So now we're going to add our window openings in the same fashion that we've shown the door openings. Okay. So here we are at the front of the residence. This is the existing entry door. Okay. So now we're going to come over here. I could do a couple of things. I'm just going to draw a line there. I'm going to draw a line from here to here. Good. And then I'm going to draw a separate line from here to here. Good. Of course, this line represents the height of the door being 6'8" from the floor, 6'8", okay, which is going to be the same height as the windows. Now, we're going to make all of the windows in the living room and in the bedrooms the same size. They're going to be 3 feet wide by 5 feet in height, okay, all the doors. So I did a separate line here so I could just come over here with my line tool and find the midpoint of this line right here. Okay, there it is, the midpoint, okay. So I'm going to draw a line down 5 feet, okay. Then on axis, I'm going to draw 2 feet. What did I say, 3 feet? So it's going to be 1'6". That's half of 3 feet, okay. Come back up here like this. Good. Come over here. 1'6", draw another line. Well, I shouldn't, no, it doesn't matter. So I don't have to type in 5 feet again. So if I come over here and I move my cursor here, and I move my cursor back like this, it's giving me 5 feet without me actually having to key it in, okay? So let's get rid of some things I don't need. I don't need this line anymore, okay? And this should be a surface right here, and it is. And all I gotta do is push pull, and 6 inches should give me my opening. There we go. So again, this opening is 3 feet wide and it's 5 feet in height. Okay. And all of our windows are going to be the same. So let's come over here and do this one. Let's go line tool here. And then my midpoint, there it is. Come down 5 feet. Come over on axis 1'6", 1'6". Okay, go back up. Come back over here. Right now, I'm gonna give myself a reference point for, well, let's draw a line, doesn't matter. 1'6". .5 feet. Okay. Erase the line that I do not need anymore. Use my select tool. Make sure this is a surface. Here it is. Okay. Push pull. Push it in slightly. And then get in 6 inches. All right. All right, so then I can erase the lines that I don't really need. I don't need this one anymore. Select this line, and I'm just holding down the shift key. This line. Okay. Okay. So I do have windows. I have 3 windows on this side. Okay, of course, this being the front. I have 3 windows. I have a window into the living area, a window into bedroom number 2, and a window into bedroom number 1. Okay. So I'm just gonna give myself a reference point here. I'm gonna come over here. Okay, I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna go up 6'8". That's what's gonna give me a guide point. Good. And then I'm going to draw a guideline all the way over to there. Good. Have a guideline. Good. All right. Now, when I look at the existing floor plan, the window that I'm going to place here is actually to the center of that window is 5 feet 10 inches. Okay. So I'm just going to do this. I'm going to do measuring tool, come over here, guideline, okay, 5 foot 10 inches, going to bring me to the center of that window. There it is. Good. So you know what I'm going to do now, right? I said all the windows are going to be the same size. So 3 feet by 5 feet. Line tool. Half of 3 feet is 1'6". Okay. 5 feet. Oops. I need to get it on axis. I just control Z out of it. Okay. It's on green axis. Okay, so 5 feet. Oops. Oh, cool. Okay, then I'm gonna go 3 feet. Okay, and I should have a surface there now. Let's do my select tool, make sure we do. Good. Push pull. Okay, I just push it all the way through. Okay. Save my drawing again. Okay, so all these windows are 3 feet 5 inches, right? And again, I did my line across here because I want the window to be centered between here and here, and it is 3 feet by 5 feet, 3 feet by 5 feet. Okay. I want to measure the distance from the windowsill to the floor. 1'8". Okay. I think what I'm going to do, I said all the windows are going to be 3 feet by 5 feet, but I'm going to change that. I'm going to change that for the bedroom windows. I'm going to change it to 4 feet, 3 feet by 4 feet. Okay. But now when I look at the floor plan, from the center of this window to the center of the bedroom number 2 window is 12 feet. Okay, so I'm going to go to my measuring tool, start here. Okay, measure along here. I'm going to key in 12 feet. Okay. Good, that's the center of that window. Now I'm going to change the height of the window. I said they're all going to be the same, but I want to raise the sill in the bedroom windows to give us more privacy. Okay, so here's the center of the window. It's still going to be 3 feet wide. So I'm going to start here at the center, and I'm going to go 1'6". Now, but now I'm going to make it just 4 feet. Good. And then I'm going to still going to be 3 feet. Back up. Okay. 4 feet. Oops. not 4 inches. Okay, 4 feet, good. And just connect this line here, good. All right, so just let me show us a surface, it is, there's a surface, push pull, and I'm just gonna push it in 6 inches. I can push it all the way through, all right? So I just raised the sill in the bedrooms just to give us more privacy. And I'm gonna check and see what that sill height is. I gotta add this door back in there too. So let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna measure from the window sill down to the floor. For that's a pretty good dimension for a bedroom, all right? All right. Let's save my drawing again.
What was the height of that bedroom window?
4 feet. Yeah, I changed it from 5 feet. Okay, 4 feet.
Thanks.
Yep. Okay, so now I want to add the window in bedroom number 1, which is still going to be 3 feet by 4 feet. Okay, so according to the floor plan, from the center of this window to the center of the window for bedroom number 1 is 12 feet 8 inches. So again, I'm going to go back to my measuring tool. So I already activated. Okay, I'm going to start here. Okay, come over 12 feet 8 inches. Enter that. Good. Then go back to my line tool. Oops, go back to my line tool. Okay. 1'6", okay, by 4 feet, by 3 feet, by 4 feet. Put it in. Okay. Again, just gonna check. You must select 2 and make sure it's a surface. It is. All right, so let's go here, push pull. Push it in 6 inches. Oops. Let's see what's going on with this. It's just deleted it. I deleted it, okay? Cool. All right. All right, of course, you want to give me a problem with his. Let's see what's going on with this. There we go. There we go. All right. So let me save my drawing again. All right. So now I have bedroom number 2, bedroom number 1. Now I'm going to orbit around the other side here. And I'm going to give myself another guideline. Oh, I'll do that later. I'll show you later. Okay, so I'm going to give myself another guideline here. Come up here. Oh, an axis 6'8". 6'8". Good. Give me a guide point. Go from here. Good. All right, so this is going to be the height of my window. All right. Again, so from this side, the location of this window was 5 foot 10 inches from this corner. It's going to be the same thing over here. All right. So I'm going to come over here. It's already active, so I'm going to come over here. I'm going to measure 5 feet 10 inches. Enter that. Okay. But now this window, because it's in the living area, I'm gonna make this 5 feet. It's gonna be 3 feet by 5 feet again. So line tool. Half of 3 is 1'6". Okay. Now it's gonna be 5 feet like the other window. 5 feet. Then I'm gonna go 3 feet. And I'm gonna go back up to 5 feet. And I'm just gonna connect those. Okay. Skip out of that. I'm gonna select 2 and make sure it's a surface. Good. Push pull. I can push it in 6 inches. Hello?
Was that guideline up top the same 6'8" height?
Yes, because you see what we're doing. We're keeping the head height of the windows and the head height of the doors the same, 6'8".
Okay, thanks.
And that's what they typically do. 6'8", okay? There is a window, there's a window above the sink center in the existing kitchen, but we're not gonna put that window in because that wall's gonna be demolished anyway, so that we could add our, addition.
Mr. Williams,
Yes,
this is Ken.
yes, Ken.
Can I share my screen with you?
Absolutely.
I just click share screen
Yes,
and then full control.
yes.
And then do I just send you that link?
Okay, so, okay, you hit share screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, like you see, when I share screen, all of my open windows, they are displayed. And then I choose the one that I want to share, right? Highlight it, I choose it, and it turns blue, and then I share it.
Okay. Full control. Mine says collaborate by sharing a link to your desktop.
Okay, okay. So okay, we'll just go ahead and do that and see what happens, all right?
Okay. I sent you it in a message.
Oh, okay, it sent me a message. No, but that's, okay, that's not the way you're going to share it with me.
Okay.
Okay, so no, but that's not it. I don't know what your version looks like. Okay, but now you see, you see the icon that says share screen, right? You see that?
Yes.
Okay, and when you choose that, what happens?
So it brings up a pop-up that says screen sharing, and it says collaborate by sharing a link to your desktop. And then it has three bullets as options. One says view only, one says view and draw, and one says full control.
Yeah, it sent me. Okay.
I copied and pasted that as because it says.
You're pressing the share screen on the SketchUp thing. You gotta press it on Zoom.
Oh, that's what he's doing.
Okay.
Yeah, you got to be in Zoom. Okay,
Sorry.
that's okay.
There we go. All right.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So that looks good. You need to delete the wall that's separating. How can I describe it? Okay. Look at the sample drawing. Look at the sample drawing.
Okay.
And do you see how the wall separating bedroom number 1 from bedroom number 2 does not extend through the kitchen?
Yes.
Okay, so you need to delete that wall. Okay, now
Okay.
is delete the lines. So choose the erase tool. Okay, I'll select one line. Okay, and then select the other. Good. Now you have to add a line that seems, yeah, you have to add a line there. Cool. All right. Now,
Okay.
good. So now I think all you have to do is add a closet for bedroom number 1.
Okay.
You see that person? You see that person down there to the lower left?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. I'll click on that person. Left click on it. Left click, and then right click. Erase or hide the person.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay. Now save your drawing.
Somehow she got in my house.
Yes, you did. But you got rid of her though.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. No. Call it kitchen addition, please.
Okay.
There we go. All right. So, all right. So go ahead and add the closet to bedroom number 1, and then I'm gonna get back with me, and I'll show you how you're going to extrude the walls up to 9 feet.
Okay. I will.
Okay.
Four.
Okay. Kenneth, could you stop sharing for a second?
Oh, yes, I thought I did. Share again, you said?
No. You stopped sharing, did you?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is there anybody else ready to share your Google SketchUp model with me that I haven't seen today? Assuming we all are working on it, we should be by now.
I can share mine.
Thank you, Jacob. Good. I see. Come around to I see that you started to add your to add your kitchen addition in there, and that looks pretty good. Okay. Could you orbit around to the other side, please? Yep. Looks good, Jacob. Thank you. Of course, with your kitchen addition, you're going to pull those walls up to 9 feet too, aren't you?
Sorry, what did you say?
With the kitchen addition, you're going to pull those walls up to 9 feet also, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm getting ready to do that.
Absolutely. Looks good. Looks good.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Could you stop sharing?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Okay, no problem. Okay, let me see. Hi, could you share the screen with me, please? Ty? Okay. Can you share your screen with me? Okay. Mm-hmm. That looks good. Okay. All your intersections are clear. Absolutely. Okay. Thank you.
Mr. Williams,
Yes.
I completed the closet.
Okay. Cool. All right. So now this is for. Let me share my screen with you. Okay.
Okay.
Zinyi, I think you're in the same situation, okay? All right. Yeah. I'm not gonna back out of this, all right? But you've added the closet in, and all your intersections are clear, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So now I'm just gonna come over here. I'm gonna add another. You can see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so 34 feet, comma 16 feet. Yeah. Whoops. 34 feet. Good. All right. What I did there, I just added another let me make sure that's correct. Another boundary. This should be 16 feet.
Hey, Mr. Williams,
Yes?
do you mind if you want to check my drawing?
Yeah, give me 5 minutes. Okay. And I'm going to different. Good. So now I'm just going to do like an extended version here. Okay, no, a bridge version. Okay, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to use the offset tool here. Okay. And I'm going to type in. Good. All right, so this is just the perimeter of the residence. You follow me, Kenneth?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now, you are in the top view now. So if you go to view here, pardon me. If you go to camera here, hover over standard views, and then choose ISO.
Okay.
This is for you too, Zinyi, okay? So go to standard views, choose the isometric view, all right? So
Yes, sir.
you got it, right? So now you know that you can orbit around, okay? If you hold your center mouse button down, you can actually orbit around the drawing like this. See that?
Okay.
You can orbit to the underside. You can orbit all around. Okay.
Yep.
Good. And then of course you can zoom in and then if you're zoomed out like this and you want to see all of your model, and then you would go to this icon right here. It says zoom extent, and that lets you see all your model.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Now, here's what you need to do. So now that you're in the ISO mode, what you're going to do is you're going to go to push pull. Okay. And you're going to zoom in, and okay. So now you see how all of my walls are highlighted now.
Yes.
Okay. So what you're going to do, you're going to highlight all the walls, and if all the intersections are clear, then all the walls should be highlighted.
Yes.
And then you're going to pull it up, and then you're going to stop. Okay. And then you're going to type in 9 feet. 9 feet.
Okay.
Good. All right.
Did it.
So now you instantly you have a 3-dimensional drawing.
Yes.
Cool. Now, I started to add some door openings, but let me talk to Angel right now, and I'll get back with you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, Angel, could you share your drawing with me, please, sir?
Yes, sir. So here's my drawing. I was still with the doors because I was having troubles with the doors, and then I had to fix some things.
Okay. All right. So let's see where you are. All right. Could you orbit to your front door, please?
Yes, sir.
Now, okay. So you, it looked like you didn't have an opening. All right. So now, could you follow how I was adding the door openings? I mean, the window openings.
No, I didn't follow you.
Okay. So I'll do it again. Because I need to do it for some other people as well. All right. Of course, it's going to be on the video that I'm recording, but I'll do it again. Let's make sure you have all those doors right. Let's see. You are missing a door for the closet in bedroom number 2. You're missing a door. Bedroom number 2, that closet door, what happens to be 2 feet by 6 foot 8.
Yeah, I have it.
Okay. All right. So if you could add that door, okay.
Wait, which door? So where the other doors going? Like, this one you mean?
No. I'm talking. Look at the sample drawing, please.
I am right now.
Okay. I'm looking at bedroom number 2.
Right here.
No, that's not bedroom number 2.
This is all right. So it will be right here.
There we go. You need to add that 2 foot by 6 foot 8 door. Right there.
Here.
Okay.
Right here.
Yes, sir. Can you actually read that floor plan? Are you having problems reading the floor plan?
No, no, I'm not.
Okay, all right. So now you know you need to add that 2 foot 6 door. Could you go to bedroom number 1, please?
Yes. Right here.
What is the length of that closet from inside a wall to inside a wall? It should be 5 feet. Nope. Inside of wall to inside of wall. I'm looking for the interior width of the closet,
Oh, okay.
not the door. I'm talking about bedroom number 1.
Right here. This is bedroom number 1, right?
Correct. I'm asking you, what is the inside dimension of that closet? It should be 5 feet.
Yeah, it is 5 feet.
Yeah, go from inside corner to inside corner.
Yeah, I'm just. Yep.
Okay. Let me share my screen with you. Hold on. Angel. Okay, there we go. Okay. Now, when I come over here to bedroom number 2, right here. Pardon me, number 1, right here. Okay. The inside dimension of this closet from this corner to this corner should be 5 feet. Okay. So I want you to make sure it's 5 feet. I think the problem is that your door opening is not big enough. This door opening here for these bifold doors, this opening here should be 4 feet from here. See that? 4 feet.
Yes. What about the space at the bottom from the outside wall to the
It doesn't matter. This door is centered. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to, either way you want to do it, you can come over here and you can come to the center here. Okay. So you said midpoint. See that midpoint? You're in the center of that wall there. Okay. And you can draw a guideline down. Right?
Okay.
Okay. Right? And then you could yeah. To answer your question, this door, okay, I'm not concerned about this distance right here because this 4 foot door is centered from here to here. So whatever this is, it is.
Okay.
Understand what I'm saying?
I do, sir.
Okay, so let's go ahead and I think when you scale the door, you can find out that the door is not 4 feet wide; it's something less than 4 feet wide.
Okay. Yes, because the doors was the thing that messed me up at the beginning. So
I got you.
you know.
And sometimes it's and I do realize sometimes it's more difficult to fix something once you've drawn it. But
Yes. So what I'm gonna watch the recording later today so I can like make sure everything's right.
okay, sounds good. All right. Okay, Ken and Zinyi, do you have a copy of the existing floor plan? You have it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you see that we've added today, we started with the door openings, right? See this right here? We started with the front door, all right?
Yes.
Now when you look at the sample drawing, we see that entry door is giving you the dimensions. It's actually 3 feet wide by 6'8". See that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's in the door swing. Okay, it's right there. All right. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to use the line tool, and I'm going to come over here. Okay, and it's going to give me the midpoint. See that? It says midpoint, right?
Yes.
So now I'm going to draw. I'm going to draw a line. Okay, and the height of the door is 6'8". So I'm going to go 6'8". Good. All right. And then the door is 3 foot wide and it's centered about that wall. So a half of 3 feet is 1'6". Okay. Then I'm just going to bring a line down here. Okay. Keeping it on axis. Come back up here. My line tool. Do another 1'6". Okay. Come down 6'8". Okay. So now I'll give you a chance to do that. And then what I don't need now, I don't need this line right here. So I'll give you a chance to do that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Kenneth Zinyi,
Yes.
do you have that?
Not yet. My session ended. I had to start one. I'll be done in 1 second.
Okay. Zinyi, how about you?
What's the height of the door?
Okay, the door. Okay, now, do you have the existing floor plan before you?
Yes, I have it.
Good. Look at the door leading to the living area. Okay, see that? When you look at the door,
Yes.
it tells you that that door is three. Is how you're going to read it. It says 3 foot by 6'8", right? That means that the door is 3 feet wide and is 6'8" high.
Hey, Mr. Williams, this is Luke.
Yes,
I have to go to work in a little bit. Would it be okay if I left class early?
absolutely, absolutely. I'm going to post this this video after class. So if you have any other questions, it's going to help you, I think. Okay.
Okay, great. Is there anything we're doing after, or doing today after the windows and doors? Because I have all of them. Is that okay?
Oh, we're gonna in the video that I'm gonna be posting, I'm gonna show you how you're going to add your addition.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I'll check it out.
Okay, take care now.
Okay.
I finished the door, Mr. Williams.
Okay, now, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so now if you, I want to check that I have a surface because before I can pull an area, it needs to be a surface, right? So I go to select tool and I come over here and I'm orbit this way, orbit come in and I'm select it. Okay, so it is a surface, right? Cool.
Okay.
So now I can use my push pull command right here, okay? And I'm gonna just push this in slightly, just like that, and then I'm gonna type in 6 inches, which is the thickness of the exterior wall, and that should create an opening like just like that.
Wow. Okay.
Okay. So now, this is the way that you're going to create all of the other door openings. The sizes of the doors are given to you, all except for the bifold, double bifold doors in bedroom number 1. But when you watch the video that I'm going to post, right, you'll be able to see that size, okay?
Okay.
And add that door, all right?
Sounds good.
So, all right, are there any other questions? Are there any other questions before we end this session? Because I'm gonna continue. Kyle, I need to talk with you, absolutely. But do we have any other questions? I'm gonna be posting this video today, the recording of this session today, that is. So you'll be able to follow along, all right?
My only other question is about the enlarged kitchen plan that I submitted.
Absolutely.
That's all.
Okay,
Just
good. So, okay, so hang on, Kenneth, and I can talk to you about that.
Okay.
Okay. Have you submitted it? You said you have submitted it. So let me bring it up. All right.
Okay.
Okay, let me do that.